Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to automatic posting TikTok videos. First, choose Viral Marketing and Upload Video feature, and choose video folder you want to post on TikTok. You can also add any hashtag you want to add into your title, and then set up a few basic settings. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. Finally, choose the accounts you use to post TikTok videos and click Start. The software will post TikTok videos automatically for you. Very easy, right?